Our 3D, our tip of the week today is going to be saving 3D views for editing versus rendering. And that's what I was just to go into this a little bit more detail. When you save that 3D view, you want to create that 3D view, save it with the 3D view. And you can kind of see here that on the right-hand side there, where we've set up, and this is what we kind of recommend to people, is that for every view you create for rendering, you want to save the same view as the 3D window view. That way, when you go back and you edit and you change things within your view, it will always, you can always go back to that exact view. And when you go to 3D rendering, you're going to get that same view. So save both of those as a recommendation. So first is the 3D window, and then you save the exact view for rendering. That way you have both of those sitting within your rendering folder. Now, if I double click that exterior rendering, it will now match that 3D view, working view that I have, and start to render with the settings I have, and the updates and so forth that I do will get updated to this particular view. And that is our tip of the week.